In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to send email using Mautic. By the end, you'll know how to send a one-off email directly to a single contact, either by pasting your own HTML or by using a template you've already created. This approach is perfect for quick follow-ups, personal messages, or testing a design with a specific contact before sending anything to a larger group. Start by opening your Mautic login page in your browser. If you're not already signed in, enter your email and password, then click Login. Make sure your account has permission to send emails and that your email settings are already configured in Mautic. Otherwise, the message might not deliver. If you have two-factor authentication enabled, complete that as well to access your dashboard securely. Once you're in, go to the dashboard and click Contacts. This takes you to your contact list where you can browse or search for the person you want to email. Select the contact you have in mind to open their profile. Before you proceed, confirm the contact has a valid email address and that you're authorized to contact them. Mautic will use the email stored on this profile when you send the message. Inside the contact's profile, click Send Email. A compose window appears. Start with a strong, clear subject line that sets expectations and encourages opens. Aim for concise language and avoid words that might trigger spam filters. Next, you have two options for the email body. If you've prepared custom HTML, paste it into the editor. Keep your layout simple, use web-safe fonts, and double-check that links are correct. If you prefer, you can pull in a pre-built design by opening the template dropdown. Choose the template you want, and Mautic will load it into the editor. You can still make light edits here for minor tweaks, such as updating copy or swapping a link, without changing the original template. When everything looks good, review the subject, the body content, and the recipient details one last time. If you can, preview the message or quickly scan it for typos and broken links. Then click Send. Mautic will deliver the email to that contact and record the activity on their timeline so you can track engagement later. That's all there is to it. You've logged in, opened contacts, selected a contact, composed your email with HTML or a template, and sent it. Thanks for watching, and happy sending with Mautic.